Stop wasting money on gas mowers. Some of these cordless lawnmowers can actually outperform gas. Quieter, cheaper to run, and way easier to use. But not all of them are worth it. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best cordless lawnmowers and which one you should actually buy based on your yard. If you're tired of cords, oil, or your old mower barely starting, this is your upgrade. All product links are in the description. Let's jump in.
Number 5. Lefeli 20V 13-inch cordless lawnmower. If you have a small yard, tight corners, or just want something super lightweight and easy to handle, the Lefeli 20V 13-inch mower is a fantastic starting point. This mower is designed for simplicity and convenience. The 13-inch cutting deck may sound small, but that's actually a big advantage when you're navigating around flower beds, fences, and narrow pathways. It's incredibly easy to maneuver, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to deal with heavy equipment. The 20V battery, paired with a 4.0 Ah capacity, gives you enough runtime to cover around 1,300 square feet. That makes it ideal for small lawns, townhouses, or quick maintenance sessions. It also features 5 cutting height adjustments, ranging from 1 inch to 2.5 inches, so you can customize your lawn exactly how you like it. One of the standout features is how lightweight and compact it is. You can literally carry it with one hand, and the folding handle makes storage incredibly easy. Plus, the battery is part of a shared tool ecosystem and can even double as a power bank in emergencies, which is a surprisingly useful bonus. Best for small yards, apartments, quick trimming jobs. Downside, not powerful enough for thick or overgrown grass.
Number 4. Greenworks 24V 13-inch brushless lawnmower. Next up, we have a more refined compact option, the Greenworks 24V 13-inch brushless mower. This model improves on basic compact mowers by adding a brushless motor, which means better efficiency, longer lifespan, and smoother performance. Compared to standard motors, brushless technology reduces friction and gives you a more premium feel overall. The 13-inch polybec keeps it lightweight and easy to maneuver while still offering enough cutting power for small to medium lawns. With up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge, it handles regular mowing sessions without stress. What really stands out here is the ecosystem. This mower is part of the Greenworks 24V platform, which includes over 200 compatible tools. So if you already own Greenworks tools, this becomes an easy addition to your setup. It also features 5 height adjustments and a 2-in-1 system for mulching or rear bagging. On top of that, it's significantly quieter than gas mowers, making it ideal for residential areas. Best for small lawns, quiet operation, existing Greenworks users. Downside, limited cutting width for larger spaces.
Number 3. Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawnmower. If you need more power and coverage, the Greenworks 40V 16-inch mower hits the sweet spot. This mower steps up with a stronger 40V battery system and a wider 16-inch cutting deck, allowing you to cover more ground in less time. It's capable of handling small to medium-sized lawns comfortably, with up to 35 minutes of runtime depending on conditions. Despite the extra power, it remains lightweight and easy to push. In fact, it's significantly lighter than most gas mowers, which makes a big difference when mowing slopes or maneuvering around obstacles. The mower includes 5 cutting height positions, a push-button start, and a 2-in-1 mulching and bagging system. Everything is designed to keep operations simple and hassle-free. Another big advantage is the Greenworks 40V ecosystem. The same battery can power a wide range of tools, like trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws, making it a smart long-term investment. Best for small to medium yards, balance of power and portability. Downside, not self-propelled for larger or hilly lawns. Number 2. Ego Power Plus 56V 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Now we're stepping into premium territory. The Ego Power Plus 56V self-propelled mower is designed to fully replace gas mowers, and honestly, it delivers. With a 21-inch cutting deck and up to 60 minutes of runtime, it can handle medium to large lawns with ease. The standout feature here is the self-propelled system. Instead of a traditional lever, it uses a touch drive control that lets you adjust speed with your palm. It feels modern, smooth, and surprisingly intuitive. This mower also packs serious power with a high-efficiency brushless motor delivering strong torque, making it capable of cutting thick grass without struggling. It offers 7 cutting height positions and multiple modes, including mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Additional features like LED headlights and weather resistance make it even more practical for real-world use. Best for medium to large lawns, premium experience, gas replacement. Downside, higher price compared to basic models.
Number 1. Greenworks 80V 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. Taking the top spot is the Greenworks 80V 21-inch self-propelled mower, a true powerhouse. This is built for people who want maximum performance and are completely done with gas. The 80V battery system delivers impressive power, making it capable of handling thick grass, uneven terrain, and large yards without breaking a sweat. The 21-inch steel deck adds durability and allows you to cover more area with fewer passes. Combined with the self-propelled rear-wheel drive system, mowing becomes significantly easier, even on slopes. It also features a 4-in-1 system: mulching, bagging, side discharge, and turbo leaf pickup, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. The brushless motor ensures long-term durability, while the LED headlights and robust build quality make it suitable for all conditions. This mower is part of the Greenworks 80V ecosystem, which includes high-performance outdoor tools for year-round use. Best for large yards, heavy-duty use, maximum power. Downside, heavier and more expensive than entry-level options. So that was our list of the 5 best cordless lawnmowers for 2026. Whether you have a small yard that needs quick maintenance or a large lawn that demands serious power, there's a perfect cordless mower here for you. If you want to check the latest prices or grab any of these mowers, make sure to check the links in the description below. And if this video helped you choose the right mower, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching Consumer Heaven, and I'll see you in the next video.